Hi, we're just checking into the Embassy Suites. It's right next door to the Amtrak station in Seattle. And we're happy we got an upgraded room. And it's room 1305. And it has a refrigerator and a microwave and a whole little wet bar and the Starbucks coffee. Nice little mirror and a whole desk with 3 chairs at the desk. It's kind of like a little dining table, I guess, too. And then in here, it's got its own living room with this kind of cool giant picture. Of course, it's got an armoire. Oops, can't really see in there, it's so dark. Television. We'll take a peek at the view. Oops. Here's a beautiful skyline view of Seattle. And then, as we work our way down, we see this neat little courtyard all made up with nice landscaping. Oh, and we've got this clock tower as well. This is a really nice view. And then we go through another door. I love these kind of slidey doors. The quiet sliding wood door, and voila. We've got a double queen bed in here. Of course, another television. And another armoire. And here's the bathroom. Flip on the lights. Very pretty, large sink area, Neutrogena products, and the shower. And I guess that's about it. Once again, here's the living room. We'll end there. One more PS to this video. I showed you this part of the skyline, but we also, if you pivot over here, we also have the Ferris wheel and the water. So I thought that was worth mentioning as well.